Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif Shazad and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online and offline. Today I will talk about the listening map, which you always feel difficulty doing that. Make sure you check the videos on IELTS with Kashif. I have uploaded different videos about IELTS. Either it's reading, listening, writing, or speaking. I've uploaded different videos on different topics. You can always check from the channel, or you can check the TikTok where the videos are available. You can take benefits, you can take help. If you have any questions, you can always comment in the video. You can always ask, sir, this is a question we don't ask. So today many of the students tell me that there's some difficulty about the map, so I decided to make a video on that. It's a map. You need to remember a reference point. There should be a reference point in every map. Majority of the times there is a reference point. You can see the reference point is here. You are here. Mostly there are reference points. Sometimes there is a map when there is no direct reference point, but there is always a reference point. There may be some road, there may be some center. So in first few seconds you need to have an overview that this is a car park, main path is a side path, newborn, it's a bridge, fish pool, you cross the bridge, and main path. You need to remember some words before attempting the math. He or she explains, if you go straight you'll turn right, or if you go straight you'll take a left turn, or if you go straight just before the bridge you take a right turn and go straight and a sharp bend. This is the terminology. Or you cross a bridge and you take a left towards the footpath, along the footpath, beside the newborn, along the footpath, towards, on the right, on the left. These are some things which you need to follow while doing the map. Okay, let's start the map. These are some options: scarecrow, maze, cafe, blackburn, coverage picnic area, and Fiddy house. He'll speak about these 6 places one by one and we'll guess.
Now listen and answer questions 15 to 20.
Now let me give you some idea of the layout of the farm. The building where you bought your tickets is the new barn immediately to your right. And we're now at the beginning of the main path to the farmland. And of course, the car park is on your left. The scarecrow you can see in the car park in the corner beside the main path is a traditional figure for keeping the birds away from crops. But our scarecrow is a permanent sculpture. It's taller than a human being, so you can see it from quite a distance. If you look ahead of you, you'll see a maze.
Now you have already listened to the audio. He said, where is the scarecrow? He said, that scarecrow is in car park. Now there are 2 options in the car park, but he said in the corner beside the main path. In the corner beside the main path. So always remember, beside the main path, that should be F. All right. So we'll go further. Now we'll look for the maze.
If you look ahead of you, you'll see a maze. It's opposite the new barn, beside the side path that branches off to the right, just over there.
Opposite to the newborn and beside the side path. So he again, first he went there, then he again started from here. You opposite to the newborn, opposite across or opposite to the newborn is only 1 point, and he said beside the side path. This is a side path, right?
The maze is made out of hedges which are too tall for young children to see over them, but it's quite small, so you can't get lost in it. Now, can you see the bridge crossing the fish pool further up the main path?
This is a bridge.
If you want to go to the cafe, go towards the bridge and turn right just before it. Walk along the side path and the cafe's on the first bend you come to.
You go straight, turn before the bridge, and you walk along the path, and cafe is on the first bend you take. first bend. That must be D, right?
Building was originally the schoolhouse, and it's well over 100 years old. As you may know, we run skills workshops here, where you can learn traditional crafts.
Now remember one thing, he will not proceed from this point to further. He will again start from there or somewhere here, and then he may come from here. You might think that he will further, we are at D, or he'll say that, okay, go straight along the side path and you'll find something. No, he'll come again from this point. That is what the benefit of the reference point is.
Crafts like woodwork and basket making. You can see examples of the work and talk to someone about the courses in the black barn. If you take the side path to the right here, just by the new barn, you'll come to the black barn.
Take a side path just by the newborn, not from here. Take a right turn. Reference point is here. Again, he is saying take a right, not from here, not from here, from here, by the newborn.
Just where the path first bends. Now, I mustn't forget to tell you about picnicking, as I can see some of you have brought your lunch with you. You can picnic in the field, though do clear up behind you, of course. Or if you'd prefer a covered picnic area, there's one near the farmyard, just after you cross the bridge. There's a covered picnic spot on the right.
On the right.
And the last thing to mention is Fiddy House itself. From here you can cross the bridge, then walk along the footpath through the field to the left of the farmyard. That goes to the house, and it'll give you a lovely view of it. It's certainly worth a few photographs.
Right. You can see I have done a map with you, and you must have got the idea how to turn right, left, and what are the difficulties you face. Again, the practice will make you perfect. I have a list of maps in which there are 50 maps. I can paste that link in the description of my video where you can take that link and you can practice 10, 15, 20, whatever you feel like, 20 maps for you. All right, and that was it for this time. I'll come with the next video. Make sure you keep watching, and you check the videos on IELTS with Kashif, and remember me in your prayers. Thank you very much.